What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we're going to quickly talk about AMC because there's not really too much news to talk about when it comes to AMC right now because it's the same thing every single week, right? We get to a high on like Wednesday or Tuesday or whatever. Middle of the week, we look fine. The end of the week is where they like to strike. They like to pull us down so that we don't hit certain strike prices when it comes to options. A lot of people are losing money on options while they find a way to make money. I just ended up watching the documentary to basically the ape community and the way that we've changed Wall Street, including Matt Kors and Trey trades and some other people. And also I saw one of my video thumbnails in there. So that was definitely interesting. I'm going to be putting that reaction video up soon on my reaction channel. It's very long. It's like an hour long. So if you guys are interested in that, go and check it out. But it's a great video and I don't even know if it's going to be monetized. I just want to put my reaction out there. Don't even know if I'm going to be able to upload it because I haven't uploaded it yet. But we'll see. Anyways, we're going to get into AMC today and just talk about the movement today and, why I hate hedge funds. But make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links in the description, as well as some of my other channels. It does help out, my overall business. So anyways, let's go ahead and dive into this really quick. We can start with the Ortex data and show that we are at 16% short interest of free float. We're at 83 or close to 84 million shares, shorted shares. You see that they returned about 2.67 million while borrowing about a million there. Now, remember, borrowed shares does not mean that those are shorted shares. Shorted shares can be a hefty amount more because they borrow before they start to short. So just understand that that could be, that's a low amount, and that's not what we're looking at when it comes to the amount that they're shorting. You see the shares on loan at 103. You see the utilization that did go up to 88. So that's definitely a good thing for our situation and the overall movement, the overall mother of all short squeezes. That's what we're looking for. We also want to look at, let's go ahead and dive into the detail of the stock here. So the detail of the stock, right? You see I'm still holding my 900 shares. That's just sitting there. We understand that today we had a little bit of movement, seeing a high of $41.30, seeing a low of $39.11, actually closing at a loss for close to close of 1.8%, down to $40.05. Previous close was $40.79. So we did come down a little bit. Even in the after hours market, we're down about 0.4, almost 0.5, almost a half a percent. But we broke that $40 barrier, that $40 mark, and hopefully it doesn't create a downward spiral, which we know that they're going to try and short it to a certain level so that most stocks will just not hit, most options will not hit, and that's what they're hoping for, that they'll just expire worthless. But we can see here that the movement today drastically downhill after increasing pretty heavily with some real wide range candlesticks, decreased all the way down to 39.11 before increasing slightly and then finding some sort of consolidation, but did find some more levels of decreasing, some more shorting that went through, retested some of those areas of 39, low 39s, and then actually bouncing off of that 39 area, getting up to where it closed at $40. Now, all in all, you could see that we are down. We did have a little bit of an increase in the after hours market, but we are back down to where we were, or a little bit lower than where we were. But like I said, all in all, it wasn't really the worst day. We expected this. We always expect this going into these days. One of these days is just going to blow up and it's going to be uncontrollable for them, just like it was when the move, like the violent move that we had all the way up to 70, right? From that $20 mark to where we thought we would see it, hold $20, maybe resist a little bit. It didn't. It ended up blowing past that, going all the way up to about $70+ before decreasing down to these levels here, actually decreasing down a little bit lower and then increasing up to these levels. So just wait until that ends up happening, because we had the first blow from basically $4 all the way up to 11, decreased down to about $9 or $8 in between there, increased all the way up to like 14, while decreasing down a little bit, and then skyrocketed past 20, past 30, past 40, past 50. We know what this can be. So Anyways, that's what I had for you guys today. It's not really too much information. I did see from somebody that apparently they were restricting trading for AMC and GME and like TD Ameritrade or something, and you might want to confirm that. I didn't really have any type of article link. It was just more hearsay than anything. So please let me know if that is true. But that's my video, guys. That's all I had for you. We have 28 million shares worth of volume, which is way lower than where we were yesterday. We're about 50 million off of where we were yesterday when it comes to volume, which makes no sense. But anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video.